What? Lockdown? What? No. Oh, man.
It said terminated.
Oh.
That's what I heard.
I blowed stuff up. And then I fixed it. Okay. I'm gonna do one of these.
Temporal recording
I'm gonna figure out where this stuff does. Okay, so we got that.
Temporal recording
got
initiated.
This, right?
I guess you can just run up and do the other one. But
Yes. I did this wrong.
Temporal recording initiated.
Actually, I didn't. We can do this. Oh, wait, no, I did do it wrong. Oh, there's another button. Wait, what?
the button you're on brought that platform down.
I know, but hold on a second. What? Erase. Yes.
Temporal
So I want to do this,
recording
right? We want to come over here. We want to do this.
Get that thing down.
Stop that. And then we want... That door opens that button. I can stand on that button.
Temporal recording
So we need this to go with him.
Should you not have your recording stand on it and then get off of it?
Yes.
The button.
Temporal recording initiated.
Yes, I know what I need to do now. Okay. Right.
Still didn't.
I know what I need to do.
Recording
Go down here.
You still didn't walk off the
Go
platform.
here.
Or the button.
Go off.
You're gonna want to wait till he goes back.
Temporal
you're just gonna redo
recording
it?
initiated.
Okay. Now, he's got his path to the button.
Right. So now you just have to you press that button while the other guy goes
Temporal
in or something.
recording initiated.
So you're gonna have to record 2 for this one.
Okay.
Because if you play it, you can then...
Got it.
Temporal recording initiated.
And then you can go over there and press that button.
Okay. And then I play as Blue,
Temporal recording.
whose job is to push this door. Yep, so see there. And then he's going to run over there.
And then
I can run through the door.
Yay!
And I can fix this.
You can.
There's still 47 seconds. Just
Close it.
thank you. And bolts rain
I
down.
love when it does that.
It's so rewarding, considering that was actually a quite difficult puzzle right there. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. Bolt.
Got it!
I forgot they made the animation for him. That's
Clockwork is
always adorable.
dispatched to primary
Yeah.
chronosphere. All personnel,
Yeah.
please stand clear.
Yeah.
Super adorable.
I love the light.
Yeah, I literally just noticed it too when you jumped.
Yeah, it gives you the warning LED for
okay,
like
not
where he's
gonna- This isn't gonna last long.
I know. Oh no.
Oh come on, you were inside of it.
Well, yeah, we all know that doesn't count.
It should.
Loading time not this long? Okay. Oh,
Box
you get
didn't come back.
okay, wait. Okay, I was saying make sure the bolt's not
Did
there
the
still.
bolt come back?
Okay.
That would be awesome. Just die
No,
5
it
million
really
times.
would not be awesome.
Is the bolt come
No, it would be awful.
back? Why?
I guess I can jump to that one since it's already,
So,
I say the problem is those boxes are taller than me. I think it's funny.
yeah.
Alright, we can't go that way, so I guess we'll go this way. Just love his little backhand, like, whoa, whoa.
fix it.
Time anomalies detected on planet. Clock welders
What?
dispatched to primary chronosphere. All personnel, please stand clear.
Oh god, do I have to do it again?
I'm gonna say yes.
I'm gonna say nope.
I'm gonna say it once. Nice job.
I'm sure it does.
When I said screen earlier, that's what I was talking
Yeah,
about.
no, I fixed it.
I know,
fixed
but you're
it.
like, no, I don't fix this.
Yeah, well, no,
was like, what are you
I
talking
think I
about?
thought.
Time
Oh,
anomalies detected on planet
guess
Terran.
I'm not getting that help today. Oh, yay! That's why I do it. I just don't have the want to do this. How much farther do I have to? This is literally enough. I don't do it.
Initiated.
All the way around.
Power up my beam. Just gonna go faster.
Temporal ribbon impact in 3, 2, 1.
Oh, I can spin the planet.
Yeah, you always spin the planet. That's the only way you get to them.
Just fast.
Because you have that power up.
Temporal ribbon inbound in 3,
I thought that was the weirdest thing you just said.
No, I've been doing that. I've been spinning it via the thing. I didn't actually know I could spin the planet.
Oh. I thought that's what you were doing.
No, I've been using the thingy.
Like the laser itself?
Yeah, like I think it's so much faster now.
I wonder
Temporal
you were
ribbon
having trouble.
inbound in 3, 2, 1.
Woo! Laser for days!
See, now you see how much faster I'm going now that I know what I'm doing.
Having issues.
Warning. Rift seeker detected.
Die. Die.
Warning. Rift seeker detected. Warning. Rift seeker detected. Warning. Rift seeker detected.
Woo! That was a little bit easier. I
Yeah.
thought you knew.
No,
this
I had
was
just
good.
been using my right analog stick, and in fact, at one point I was even doing this. Like, I just had one hand on it. I had no idea I could turn the planet.
Huh.
That made it so much easier. Oh, I feel ashamed now. Suck it, giant floating thing that should be on my side.
Boob-shaped turret.
Awkward.
That's what it is. Just like in the other Ratchet game.
Yeah, those things are funny though. Yeah. Oh look, I fixed it. I fixed it via osmosis.
Yeah?
Apparently. You guys need to time that better so that I can, you know, kill and
One
hit at
shot.
the same time. Yeah,
Like you
I
did
don't want
first
to.
with the first one.
Yeah, that was really cool.
Rift
Don't ever
repaired
expect me
on
to do that
engineering deck 30. Lockdown terminated.
Oh, oh my.
Slow the time.
Hit! Nope. Not like that. Turn around, maybe? Oh, I gotta let go of that trigger.
Oh.
No! Ah, I missed it.
Aw.
Well, that was stupid. I know how to do it. I just need to maybe time it out. Crap.
Oh.
Come on,
Aw.
shoot me again.
Hit your boxes.
What? No, you don't dodge the hits. Ooh! Oh man, all the boxes come back. That is just magic. Oh, look, the box over there. Oh
Yeah, they
man.
all come back, literally. Why don't they do that for Ratchet? At least Ratchet walks a little faster.
Yeah.
Then you can just run back real quick and go.
Alright, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Yeah. Ooh, that was a bad idea. That did not make it into the bubble. Oh my god, that's
Say, the
so
only ones
fast.
that you're getting is that one. Oh, that one's all slow motion.
Clock welders dispatched to primary chronosphere. All personnel, please stand clear.
I don't understand how you're supposed to be able to get... Unless you can get the middle one and you can jump to the middle one. But you can only get one at a time.
Okay, well it really helped there. Okay, I was like, it really helped if I could do that. Well, they all just like. Yeah. See, it doesn't even seem like I'm getting them with it.
That one you did, but you can only seem to get the first one.
They go away so quick. Oh!
Look at that. It's funny because I was gonna say like it seems like there should be a recording of some sort here.
Temporal
I
recording.
knew that was there.
Auto repair sequence on Fission Streamer Tango.
Ah!
Not pick that one.
I was like, there's legitimately no way for me to be able to do that. Yeah, I know, Gwen. I'm aware. I did it! Third try.
Yay!
Oh, cool. Signal.
Here you go, sir.
Thank you.
Thanks, sir.
Snail.
Really? Oh, hey. Derp snail!
Derp snail.
Clock welders dispatched to primary chronosphere.
There we
All
go.
personnel,
Yeah, I am.
please stand clear.
Got it.
Hold on, sir. I'll get the door.
North.
I don't play Nest to play Norse. Norse. I like to stand facing the camera when epic explosions occur behind me.
Yeah,
So awesome I am.
makes sense.
No. And here we are. Here we are
What
again.
recording?
Temporal recording initiated.
Do 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 boop.
Why didn't you just record him going to the platform?
Because I want to go to the
Temporal
platform.
recording initiated.
Hoping I gave myself enough time to
Oh,
get
so
to
you
the
did.
platform. Yep.
Oh, just barely too.
Okay, what do you do? And why do I... Okay, I want that.
Temporal recording initiated.
So, look, I want to see the timing of this. Like, it is...
Just
Oh, it is
literally,
right on the
yeah.
money. Let's check into that spot. Oh, I didn't get off the platform.
Nope.
Well, frick.
Temporal recording initiated.
Okay, okay, okay. Head is just...
Run for your life!
I made it better this time. And boop!
Oh, well, that was convenient.
Boop.
You could see your little guy getting shot. Oh,
Yeah, it's because he wasn't trying to go there.
yeah.
Temporal recording initiated.
Waiting and waiting and waiting.
Come on, thank you. Ooh, broken pipe.
I can fix that.
Where was the thingy I was supposed to jump to?
I don't know. I didn't see anything.
What? I saw... Okay. That's fine. Well, this sucks. 'Cause now that means I'm gonna have to fight them every time we go to do that. Okay, so there's where blue's going. So I have to do green again.
Temporal recording
I know I saw those
initiated.
boxes. I know I did. I've got to find out where they were, and I'm gonna miss my... I'm going. I gotta get off.
Let's see. Getting off helps.
See, look, boxes. Oh, they're in the corner. Oh, right.
Oh,
Oh, and then I
they're
figured it
recording.
out. That's right, I figured it out. And then here.
Yeah, because you were standing there like, what?
Yeah, 'cause where was the... I forgot I did that. Like, forgot I did that for so long. There's me. I'm killing everything. Okay.
So now you be.
Oh, fun fact. Okay, I know. That's what I wanted. Those are the boxes I saw. Okay. I know how I'm gonna have to do this. It's gonna be very interesting if I can pull it off. Okay, hat has come off. Done with hat.
What did you just knock over?
That would be a glass of what is now an empty glass. Nothing. I had an epic moment right there. We're not gonna talk about it. Just gonna move right along. Alright, so what I have to do is do this.
Temporal
Start this
recording
recording.
initiated.
I have to wait for him to get to it. Go up, go off, and then go with this one.
Oh.
And then I'll be the smart one. I'll be the smart version of me.
Yay.
And I'll do this. There. Gibby.
Only your 2 recordings are still gonna do that.
Yes, that's fine. I mean, I don't care. They can go beat the crap out of them for all they want.
I still don't really know why the yellow recording had to go with them.
Because the yellow recording is going through the door.
Oh, for some reason I thought. Sorry.
So I was like, yellow recording had to go through the door. What?
Initiating auto repair sequence on Fission Streamer Tango.
There.
Door's open, sir.
Got it! That's because I'm a
Oh,
boss.
men.
Is there another planet out there? I don't want to go if there's another planet. There's something out there.
There is. Pretty sure there was a decent.
Man, we've earned 15,000 bolts since we've been over here. Because we were at 50,000 whenever I came over here.
Nice. Go Clank.
Part of it's dying.
It has. Not much of it though, in comparison.
In comparison to other games that I've played.
I was gonna say the bolts that you got while
Yep,
dying
there's
is
one more planet. There's one more thingy.
not much in comparison to what you got when you were.
Oh, yeah. Sorry, yeah.
Junior caretaker to Solana Terminal 6. Repeat.
Oh,
Junior caretaker
oh,
to
that one.
Solana Terminal 6.
Oh my. Oh my god!
Ooh. There we go.
Woo!
Got it.
That was not terrifying at all.
On planet Terracnos.
No.
Oh my god.
Derp snail.
Good
Derp
thing.
dragonfly.
Really just like
Why
these.
hit yourself?
Why are you hitting yourself? Why are you
Why
shooting
hit
yourself in the face? Why are you bothering me, you stupid bugs?
They're
It's
derpy
honestly not like the
dragonflies.
puzzles on this are not hard enough as it is.
They're derps. They can't.
Time anomaly
They're-
detected on planet Terracnos.
I'm aware of
Quantum
blah blah blah
restoration
going.
initiated.
Ooh! Slow time, powers, slow time! Right, because in this one they're gonna move like uber duper fast.
Temporal ribbon impact in 3, 2, 1.
But you can move the planet really fast,
Temporal ribbon impact in 3,
Yes.
2, 1.
No, it doesn't, I'm sorry. Oop, really? Oh, that was an upgrade.
Oh no, stupid king thing. Oh, it went away.
Warning. Rift seeker detected. Temporal ribbon impact in 3, 2, 1.
A nice little explosion there.
Warning. Rift seeker detected. Warning. Rift seeker detected.
Not allowed. Not this time.
I can't even tell that I'm doing it.
Temporal normality restored.
Like
to planet
whenever I get
Terracnos.
close to the end, like I'm paying so much attention to what's going on, I couldn't honestly tell
don't
you.
know that you're close to the end.
Yeah, like honestly, the only reason I can tell it was over is because it went boop and it was done.
Oh, that's okay.
Whew.
Same for whoever's watching too, because I was
It would
sucked.
not
I was like,
hurt to
okay,
say please
alright,
once in a while.
alright. Okay. And then all of a sudden it ended in bolts were showering over you. I was gonna say flowing, showering
Nah.
over you.
Cussing.
Accessing archives.
Hello,
Sigmund. I just wanted to let you know I will be traveling to the Tombly outpost on Xanathar and will not be back until morning. A fellow scientist has requested an audience with me, and etiquette dictates I comply.
Don't go, sir.
Mind the clock while I'm gone. Wind the time cleaners and, Sigmund, let's just keep this our little secret. As the kids say, BRB.
Please don't go.
End recording.
It's dangerous.
Did something happen to him? No. Nobody's taking that.
Aw. It's probably for the best.
Bum ba da bum!
Ugh. Okay. I was having issues with my foot.
Warning. Warning. Hostile ships detected.
All right, boss fight.
Well.
Oh!
What do we have here?
Oh, looks like this Lombax is lost.
Lombax is lost.
What do you say, girls? Shall we help him find his way?
Find his way.
Cattie, we've picked up a signature 3,000 kilocubits north of Orak Minor. It's a Lombax ship.
General Azimuth. The bounty's up to 2 million bolts on him. Libra,
Wow.
be a good girl.
Can I turn him in? I mean,
We'll kill the Elder.
Z. Understandable.
come on.
You've got hostile ships inbound.
Ooh.
I see them. They're Valkyries, expert pilots who work for Nefarious. I'll lose them in the asteroid belt. You just head for
Hey, you
those.
have Oh god, what's going on?
Just you and me alone,
You
man.
know what I'm talking
Show me
about?
what you
There's that
got.
little defense thing that they got.
Yes,
Not.
I'm aware.
Come on, is that it? You're not half bad. Have you ever considered mercenary work?
Doesn't seem too hard.
Valkyries, attack!
They do that.
Copy that, Captain. Fusion cannons armed.
Oh,
No bueno.
I heard fusion cannons.
There seems to be a limit on those shields. Resources.
No, shooting these ships. There's a lot of them too.
They're allowed to go up. Not fair.
It's actually an interesting thought.
Why can they do that?
What's funny is I have unlimited missiles.
Oh. Nice. That's convenient. Do you always have unlimited?
Yes, in this game I do. Normally I have not.
No, okay. In this game or in this battle?
In the game I do.
Oh. Then what was your normal?
Normally from the other games.
Oh. Okay.
Just you and me alone, man. Show me what you got.
Ooh.
Oh, hey, I just figured out how to do that.
Nice.
Unfortunately, I am jumping right into the middle of shooting. Into the middle of
Have you ever considered mercenary work? A Sony ship won't save your hide.
If the Millennium Falcon has taught me anything, it's
Crash into one of them boats and save me the trouble of killing you. Valkyries, move in and take him out.
at least I know that she's gonna quit dropping the stupid rounds on me.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're fighting Butch for the first one. I didn't know I could do that whole little turnaround thing.
It comes in handy. Would have come in handy against that mine that you randomly hit trying to turn right.
Yeah, because I didn't know it was a thing.
Yeah.
There. Just screw it. Let's do this.
Not as noisy either.
Yeah, but it's not as fun.
I can. Oh, you only need 3 more.
Why did it get so bright? Oh, Fred. Eat it!
Oh. One more. Oh. Barely missed
Just you and me alone, Max. Show me what you got.
that. Okay, you're almost dead.
Come on, is that it?
Got her. Whew. Me and my ace piloting skills
Yeah.
from Mr. Star Fox himself.
Now
Jim,
that
Oh
come
crap!
in. You
No,
got
no,
hostile
actually
ships.
Did I die?
inbound.
I see him. The Valkyries.
I apparently died.
Pilots away
What?
from the ferry.
I immediately redact all comments made about winning that.
How did you die?
That was a great question, my friend.
Me alone, Max. Show me what you got.
I literally do not know how you could have
Come
died.
on, is that it?
I'm pretty sure nothing hit you there at the end.
I didn't think anything did, but
Maybe it did?
it's always possible.
Considered mercenary work.
So I'm trying really hard to get like the arc on this. So I can stay ahead of the curve here.
Won't save your hide.
This is such a hard angle to get it.
Into one of them moons and save me the trouble of killing you.
A little further. There we go.
Valkyries, attack!
Copy that, Captain. Fusion cannons armed.
What? No, you don't need this.
I don't think you died.
I didn't win.
Because that's your health at the bottom now.
Yeah. Any more enemies to kill? There they are. These are my health potions right here.
Just you and me alone, Max. Show me what you got. Come on, is that it?
I'm busy trying to regain health right now. There, oh, I got rapid fire. Where is she? Whoop! Nope. Whoop! There she is.
Mercenary work. The Sony ship won't save your hide. Why don't you just crash into one of them moons and save me the trouble of killing you? Just you and me alone, Max. Show me what you got. Valkyries, move in and take her out.
Copy that.
I'm doing well other than that. I don't know what those two are, but I was gonna say I've shot them.
I don't know. I just died.
One of those guys are very badly wounded.
Ooh.
Hi, big ship. Eight more?
Eventually they'll hit.
They're all first.
All of them. Eventually it'll hit her.
Yeah. I was hoping it would kind of.
Weapons.
This is irrelevant to this conversation. I'm actually trying to. Oh gosh. I'm trying to get health, he says as he runs into teammates' nuts.
Oh, that's why you're still hitting.
Yes. not appear as though I'm going to get any. I'm pretty sure the boss is behind me.
Probably.
No, it's yet to. I'm losing health.
Come on, is that it?
Yep, that's what I thought.
You're not half bad. Have you ever considered mercenary work?
Yeah.
The Sony ship won't save your hide. Why don't you just crash into one of them moons and save me the trouble of killing you? Just you and me alone, Max. Show me what you got.
I don't think it is just you and him. You have all your super those
Come on, is that it? You're not half bad. Have you ever considered mercenary work?
Oh my god, no, no, I've not considered mercenary work. No, I'm not going to consider mercenary work. Please, little god, shut up.
Ship won't save your hide.
Die. I'm trying so hard to get the connect on this.
Why don't you just crash into one of them moons and save me the trouble of killing you? Just you and me alone, Max.
That's what it looks like, apparently. When you kill it.
God, that took
I did
forever.
not know that you died last time.
Look!
Captain is down.
A little ball
I
of
repeat,
health.
Captain is down. All units, pull back to Orak Minor.
Go, go, go!
Alright. That's going to be where we're going to wrap this episode up. Oh my god, that was tiresome. But, we got another 2 sections done. It took a lot longer than anticipated originally. But, I want to thank you guys very much for watching, and as always, we'll see you next time.
Bye-bye!